How to fix error 0x801c044f when creating PIN on Windows. 1. Switch user account. 2. Remove work/school ID and then set up your PIN. 3. Take ownership from C:\Windows\service profiles /local service /appdata /local /Microsoft. Delete the ngc folder at C:\Windows/service profiles /local service /appdata /local /Microsoft /ngc. 4. Make use of the I forgot. My PIN option. 5. Enable turn on convenience PIN sign in at computer configuration /administrative templates /system /logon infidite.msc. 6. Run the system restore utility.